guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening according to the time you are watching my video right now. In today's video, I want to show you guys how to do a face swap. This is gonna be a very funny face swap though, but at least this only meant for educational purpose and not for any fraudulent activities or any harmful substances. We are here to give ourselves some good learning education and to keep improving every day by what we are learning. So without wasting much of our time, I'll get started by importing my image to use, in which I have to pause the video to import the image. If you are new to this channel, watch my other video on how I import the video or import the image, because my gallery is trashed up, so I won't be able to show that because of YouTube policy. Okay, all you have to do is just to click on see all. You understand? You click on see all, then you click on gallery, then you select, you find where you keep your image that you want to use. So from here now I will pause the video. So today we are using Cristiano Ronaldo pictures. Here is it. So we are putting Leo Messi head on this. Okay, that's what we are doing today. So the two are the greatest of all time, as we all know. So for you to bring in Leo Messi image, you have to click on this. Add photos. Then once you add photos, you go to your gallery and bring in Leo Messi image. So easy as that. So here we go. I've already bring it in now. Now you crop it. All you need to do is just to crop it. We are putting on the full head, so don't cut everything. Here we go. Now you enlarge it. Then you let me show you everything I click on. So you click on here, then you click on here, you click on head. Okay, you click on head. Once you click on head, everything will be removed except the head. Now you now come back and resize it. Okay, our last tutorial I teach you guys how to make picture smile, so we're gonna make Leo Messi smile in this picture. Okay, so now you have to restore it and restore the neck back to Lionel Messi neck. I think you get that. You will restore it to Lionel Messi neck. So here we go. Now you erase back the outer layer and you reduce the opacity so that it will look so blend and so good. Okay, do you see that? So that's how you're gonna do that. Okay, so the next thing you need to do right here is to arrange the color textures. So our color texture can be the same. In case you are practicing your own with another picture, just do it to your own level of satisfaction. Do you get that? So saturation, I would like to adjust it. Do you see that? Then I'll go to my shadow and reduce it. Then go to my highlight to reduce it as well. Let me reduce it. Okay, and then go to my is it temperature or temp? I don't even know, because they don't complete it. So I think we don't need to touch this, because this kind of like make the work so bad. So let me go back to my contrast. This, I think we are good here. Yeah, I think we are good. So I think we can just come back here again and adjust it. Here is the shadow. Just adjust it to make it look so good. Okay, adjusting it by looking at the screen. Yes, then you can mark it right now and save it. So the next app we're gonna go right now is our iPic. I think I'll teach you in the last video how to do that, but let's just, for the sake of this tutorial again, we go for it again. Okay, so you click on it. Once you click on it, you go to you wait for your app to load, because it's loading right now, as you can see. So now you go to your expression, you click on it, then you click on smile. When you click on smile, automatically it will adjust the image to keep smiling. So that's that. Still loading. Can you see? Now it's smiling. Then you can easily save your image, and there you go. So that's just that about that. So thanks for watching. Goodbye for now. Meet next time again with another hot clip. Bye.